Lorex has a number of models in the Nocturnal camera lineup. The LNB8921 is an all-metal matte black bullet camera with many unique features. It is a more traditional style camera shape, but is far from ordinary. The 8921 is an 8.51 megapixel 4K camera. 4K provides 4 times the resolution of standard 1080p HD. This camera is an IP or Internet Protocol camera and uses PoE or Power over Ethernet, where only one cable is used to supply power, video, and audio if available. The camera is made of solid aerospace-grade aluminum. It can be mounted vertically or horizontally indoors or outdoors. The camera offers a foam backing and cable slot for surface mounting. The camera has an adjustable sun visor to keep flaring off the lens to a minimum. With a sealed weatherproof lens and body, the LNB8921 is IP67 water and weather rated and can operate in temperatures as low as -22 Fahrenheit to as high as 140 degrees Fahrenheit. This camera offers a maximum night vision of 200 feet and color night vision up to 150 feet. The field of view of 112 degrees is ideal for wide open areas. The camera also features an E-shutter, which optimizes the amount of light let into the camera sensor. This camera can record at 30 frames per second, which helps to provide smooth on-screen movement. The LNB8921 uses HDR or High Dynamic Range technology, which ensures the system can capture the broadest range of visual details from dark to light. Like many Lorex cameras, the LNB8921 employs HEVC or High Efficiency Video Codec H.265, which helps keep file sizes small yet maintains high video quality. The LNB8921 is an IP or Internet Protocol camera and is ONVIF compliant, an international open standard for IP cameras. This camera uses Sony Exmor R CMOS sensor, considered one of the best image sensors available today. Included with the LNB8921 is a 100-foot Ethernet cable with a unique locking connector to prevent disconnection. Lorex includes a quick start guide outlining installation options and safety precautions. A Lorex 24-hour security window decal and mounting template are included with the package. Hollow wall anchors and screws are also part of the Lorex package. The LNB8921 Nocturnal 4K professional grade camera produces crisp images for your security needs.